Well folks, in today's video we're going to make a Bramble. All you're going to need is your gin, your chambord, your sugar syrup that we made in the last video, fresh lime and blackberry. I'm using a shaker, but if you don't have a shaker you can use anything really that has a lid on it, like a protein bottle. Just something where you can close the ice in and give it a good shake. So it's 50 ml gin, .25 ml chambord, 20 ml sugar syrup, and then 25 ml fresh lime. If you don't have a press, you could just use your hands to get the fresh lime juice out. Then add a couple of blackberries into your shaker, and then fill it with ice. Good shake for 5 to 10 seconds. I'm using a strainer just so I don't get any more ice into the glass, but if you don't have a strainer, just keep your glass without ice and then just pour the ice from your shaker in. Put a couple of blackberries into your drink after, and there you go folks. On Saturday I'll post my next video and that'll be Sex on the Beach, and that'll be live before a karaoke call out. So I'll post that around 2 or 3 for you, so you just have a couple hours to make the drinks. See you then folks, enjoy.